Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vinyl cutters for t-shirts that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a small business owner, or just someone looking to get creative with custom t-shirt designs, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 45mm rotary cutter with 5 pieces extra blades by Headley Tools. This product is not your traditional vinyl cutter, but is a versatile option for those looking to cut fabric, vinyl, and other materials for crafting projects. It features a super sharp SKS7 stainless steel blade that delivers clean, precise cuts without leaving frayed edges or loose threads. The ergonomic design with a soft grip handle ensures comfort during prolonged use, and it's user-friendly for both left and right-handed crafters. The standout feature here is the built-in safety lock, which ensures the blade is secure when not in use, making it a kid-friendly option under adult supervision. Additionally, it comes with 5 extra blades, so you won't need to worry about replacements for a while. While it's not a machine-based cutter, its portability and simplicity make it an excellent choice for those who enjoy hands-on crafting. That said, this rotary cutter is best suited for smaller, simpler projects rather than intricate, large-scale designs. It's reliable and efficient, but if you're specifically looking for automated precision cutting, you might want to consider the higher-ranked products in this list. Pros: affordable, portable, and highly effective for manual cutting. Cons: limited to manual operation and not ideal for highly detailed designs. Coming in at number 4 is the 33 pieces vinyl weeding tools with t-shirt ruler guide by Cloyan. This toolset is a fantastic addition for anyone who already owns a vinyl cutter, but needs the right tools to perfect their designs. The set includes everything from weeding tools, scissors, and spatulas to t-shirt rulers, making it a versatile companion for vinyl crafting. With 33 pieces in total, this kit ensures you have everything you need to weed, cut, and assemble your projects with precision. The build quality is solid, with tools made of high-grade stainless steel and plastic that are durable enough for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Whether you're working on heat transfer vinyl, scrapbooking, or even embroidery, this kit is designed to maximize your efficiency. The included storage bag keeps everything organized and portable, which is a nice bonus. This is not a standalone cutting machine, so it's not for those looking for an all-in-one solution. However, if you already own a vinyl cutter or plan to get one, this tool set is an excellent value add-on. Pros: comprehensive tool set, durable build, and great for detailed work. Cons: requires a separate vinyl cutter and is not a cutting device itself. In third place, we have the Cricut HTV Heat Transfer Vinyl Bundle, a colorful and versatile option for vinyl enthusiasts. This bundle includes 80 sheets of heat transfer vinyl in 53 assorted colors, including trendy patterns like camouflage, leopard print, and holographic finishes. If you're looking to add a splash of creativity to your t-shirts, tote bags, or other fabric projects, this bundle has you covered. The vinyl sheets are easy to weed, cut, and transfer, making them ideal for beginners and professionals alike. They're compatible with most popular cutting machines and heat presses, and their durability ensures they remain vibrant even after multiple washes. The PU material is eco-friendly and safe to wear, which is a great bonus for those prioritizing sustainability. While this bundle is not a cutting machine, it's an excellent choice for users who already own one and want a wide range of materials to work with. It's particularly useful for creating unique, personalized gifts. Pros: wide variety of colors and patterns, easy to use, and durable. Cons: requires a separate cutting machine, and some users may find the bundle overwhelming if they only need a few colors. At number 2, we have the Loke-like Cutting Machine 2 by HT Vront. This is a powerful and versatile cutting machine, boasting 5x the cutting force of many competitors. It can handle over 100 materials, ranging from vinyl and paper to faux leather and glitter cardstock, making it an excellent choice for diverse crafting projects. One of its standout features is the Loke-like Idea Studio software, which comes with over 50,000 free designs and fonts, as well as AI painting capabilities for creating unique, personalized designs without any subscription fees. The machine is designed for precision, with a print-then-cut accuracy of up to 0.5 millimeters, reducing material waste and ensuring professional quality results. It also offers matless cutting for larger projects, which is a huge convenience. The upgraded step motor system ensures quieter operation so you can work without disturbing others. Whether you're making intricate t-shirt designs, 3D arts, or home decor, this machine can handle it all. While the Lokelite cutting machine is incredibly versatile, its slightly steeper learning curve compared to simpler models might require some patience for beginners. However, with 24/7 customer support, you'll have help whenever you need it. Pros: high cutting force, versatile material compatibility, and free software with no subscription fees. Cons: tools for some functions sold separately, and it may take time to master all features. And finally, taking the top spot is the Cricut Joy Extra Cutting Machine. This compact yet powerful machine is the perfect blend of ease of use and versatility, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned crafters. It works with over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, allowing you to create everything from custom t-shirts to intricate paper designs. Its compatibility with your home inkjet printer for full-color print-then-cut designs is a game-changer for those who want professional-grade results without the cost. The Cricut Design Space app is intuitive and easy to learn, offering a vast library of pre-made designs while also allowing you to upload your own. The precision cutting capabilities ensure clean and intricate designs every time. Its compact size makes it perfect for small workspaces. And the active surface area is large enough to handle most crafting projects. Plus, it writes, draws, foils, and scores, adding even more functionality to your toolkit. The Cricut Joy Extra Cutting Machine is a premium option at $179, but it's worth every penny for its performance, ease of use, and versatility. Pros: compact, easy to use, and highly precise. Cons: limited to smaller projects compared to larger machines, and some tools accessories are sold separately. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.